What is this? Is there another charges that didn't make it? Hello? I lost my credit card. I should call the bank and have it replaced.
Thank you for calling STB Bank. This is Razan. How may I assist you today?
My credit card is gone. Please drop it now. I need you. I'm your replacement.
Of course, I'll be happy to assist. May I have you first and last name along with the account?
Yeah, it's Miss Reyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you. And for your investigation, your CVV,
CVV is 1, 2, 3.
your card has been blocked. A replacement will arrive shortly.
Thank you for calling STB Bank. This is Lance. How may I help you today?
I need your supervisor. You stupid people that know how to do your job properly. I have been calling this line multiple times already, and no one resolved my concern. Transfer me to your supervisor now.
I apologize for the inconvenience, but before I could transfer the call, can you please verify your first name and last name along with your account number?
My first name is Christine, last name Reyes, account number 123456789.
Huh? This transaction are huge and it's been happening for months. This doesn't look right. I need a supervisor.
Hello, make it faster. I'm losing my patience. Don't tell me I'm losing this line too.
I'm sorry for the long hold, ma'am. Kindly stay on the line as I check if our supervisor is able to take the call.
Make it quick. What do you have, Lance?
Ma'am, unauthorized charges, big ones, and there's something off with the internal logs. Someone accessed her account details on the same day she signed her contract.
Okay, let me check the account using the higher access transfer account. This is not a system glitch. This is a glitch. This is serious. This log shows repeated access from our system, and it doesn't match any customer requests.
Hello? Are you still checking? What is happening to my account?
Hi ma'am, I'm so sorry. This is one of your supervisors. Thank you for waiting on the line. Based on our initial investigation, it appears there may have been security breach, and we will escalate this immediately as soon as possible.
These accesses they came from inside our center. We trace the PPP one of our staff. Someone accessed the line's private information without permission.
This is a major violation of data privacy and company policy.
Under the Data Privacy Act of 2012, Republic Act 10170, unauthorized access and misuse of personal information is illegal. We must take action.
Any minute now, the client will see our report regarding on this breach. There is a tendency that our client will terminate the account alone to us.
But ma'am, that account alone handles 150 employees.
Under the Data Privacy Act, this is a crime. We must identify the culprit now.
Access ID. Match. Agent Rason?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am.
Do you have access to the client's account without authorization?
I just don't know one word more. I needed money. I didn't think it would be great. I didn't know it would go this far.
There are some costs, a client urgently, and now 150 people. Please tell me right now.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Everyone, please settle down. The client bank has officially terminated their contact with us due to confirmed privacy breach.
We regret to inform you that this means the 150 people, all of you will be put in floating status, waiting for the advice for different relocation.
All of this because someone thought they would not get caught? One analytical choice ruined everything.
That is the lesson that confidentiality is not a suggestion but also our responsibility as a BPO company.
We learned that confidentiality is not optional. Mishandling data can ruin life. The data is not just information, it's someone's life.
Let this be a lesson that privacy, honesty, and responsibility must guide everything we do.
As IT professional, we must protect users and care with integrity, even when no one is watching.
Ethics is more than rules. It's about respect and accountability.
From this situation, our group learned how important it is to do the right thing and to follow the company rule. We saw that integrity really matters even no one is watching.
The group realized that effective communication, collaboration, and problem solving were essential aims of becoming a challenge. We also learned that understanding each member strength helps assign tasks efficiently and prevent misunderstanding.
From this situation, our group learned how important it is to follow company rules, especially when it comes to handling private information. We realized that even one small action that breaks privacy can grow into a big problem.
This situation may be reflect on the person I want to be. Someone who chooses integrity even when no one is watching, and someone who reflects in every action that they make. I want to be a person who chooses my values and build trust, not hate.
The situation taught us that handling someone else's personal information requires integrity and responsibility. We realized that being ethical means making choices that protect people, prevent harm, and build trust.
We learned that the protection of data privacy is an absolutely necessary ethical obligation. Even if very small concepts or data handling tools can lead to irreparable.
We learned that the actions we take. Handling personal information is not just it is a big responsibility. We learn to do the right thing even when no one is watching.
As a future IT professional, the important values we should apply is the responsibility, respect, and honesty into privacy. Handling data is a big part of IT work, so we must use it properly and never misuse it.
Future IT professionals should practice integrity, responsibility, and continuous learning to guide their work. This body promotes honesty in handling data and ensure tasks are completed on time with high quality.
As future IT professionals, we can apply important values like honesty, responsibility, and respect for privacy. Handling data is a big part of IT work, so we must always protect personal information and never misuse it.
As an IT professional, we realize that trust and responsibility are essentials in everything we do. Even one mistake can prevent or affect many lives, so we must be accountable and trustworthy.
As a future IT professional, we must stay honest, protect users' information, and take responsibility for our actions. By acting fairly and preventing harm, we can earn people's trust and make ethical choices that can help both individuals and organizations.
As a future IT professional, we should incorporate values like respect for privacy, transparency, and accountability. Personal information must be always protected by us.
We also need to think about our emotional effect on others and act fairly while preventing harm. By keeping this bias in mind, we can become an